It's been a while. How you doing? What it do, what it does, mko aje? So today is sijui date but najua I guess the 27th ni Sato, and I'm here for work at the Nairobi Railway Museum. Yeah. Hebu nani venye kunakaa vizuri. Actually, I was supposed to go renew my ID. I lost all my cards and my money and my pass. So I was supposed to go and renew my ID today. Then when I logged into the website here, Huduma Center, boom, they don't work on Saturdays. So nikaenda nikachukua delivery and now I'm here. So I'll just show you around and show you maybe the stuff that we'll be displaying or selling. Yeah. So welcome to this vlog. Positive vibes. Even if things go badly, it has a reason. Like everything has a reason why it happened venye tunataka, si ndio? So this is the environment. Huku ni CBD, I'm sure mnajua huko. Yep. And I'm late. Hebu niharakishe. I'll show you around.